Hi, welcome to Neptuno Kitchen. I'm Chef Abel La Cruz. I'm happy to be here. Today we are going to prep the branzino roasted with panko and plantain mousse. We are using Neptuno's premium fillets, boneless, skin on. I love when I cook my fish with the skin on because when I sears, the skin is going to be really crispy and I love it. Now their products are flash frozen right after being cleaned and filleted to preserve freshness. Before we open our fish, let me tell you that some people think that frozen food or frozen fish is not fresh. That is a big mistake because if you package, if you seal, and if you frozen correctly, the fish, our food is gonna be always perfect. Okay, let's go start to open our fish, right? Because we are going to season it now. To open the fish, we open over here, right? And we put it right in a plate. And it's important to know that we never soak the fish in water. One more thing for the chef, something that for me is very, very important. The fish from Neptuno are coming always same size, uniform. And this is good because like that, my life is more easy. And I'm absolutely sure that for the chef, it's gonna be the same thing. This fish, I'm gonna put him back here and I'm going to cut because what I'm gonna do now is to do a superficial cut in my fish because when you sear, the skin is going to be nice and crispy, and in the middle of those cuts, I'm going to have the salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. I love this fish, it's very nice. You see, it's always clean, both parts. We are going to salt and pepper the fish, right? That's just the simple way to season our fish, both sides, okay? Now that I have my fish already seasoned, let's get to cook. Here we have our stove and our pan. Let me turn on this one, okay? And let's go to talk about the ingredients that I have here. First thing and the principle is our branzino or Mediterranean sea bass. We have the parsley, garlic, lime, panko, because I'm going to saute the panko with the garlic and the parsley too to put it on top. Butter, wine, and here we have the olive oil. This one is one of the most important ingredients because when I cook the branzino with the olive oil, the flavor comes out. Now my pan is already hot. Let's add olive oil and I have my fish here. I'm going to cook face down because we need color in our fish because remember, no color, no flavors. And I need to do the same thing both sides. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic, right? And the butter. I'm going to flip the fish. Look at how beautiful is the color. This is one of the things that I tell you that if you put the face down, the color is coming beautiful, and this part, the skin, is going to be always crispy. Two ways we have to cook the branzino. One is in the oven, or the other one, if you add a little bit of the wine. At this time, it's gonna do steam and the fish is gonna finish to cook very nice. Let me add a little bit of the lime juice. And white wine. Wow, how beautiful. Look at this. How beautiful is this? Very nice. Butter on top is good, right? For more moist and more flavor in our fish. And now our fish is ready. Before we start serving, because I know you're hungry, let me tell you that Nettuno Branzino is certified sustainable and farm raised. Some people think that farm raised is not a good fish, but big mistake. If it's done properly, it's as good as a wild catfish. This Branzino is good to serve if you want with other different size. Pasta, vegetable, rice, but today I pick a plantain mousse. This is good combination because we have something very tasty here, right? And I have our Branzino here, and we pick the Panko too to put in right on top of to the fish. Some of the drop pepper for very nice color, lime, and olive flower for a beautiful plate. Enjoy. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you'll try Nettuno for yourself so you can see why chefs like me love to cook with these products.